How to make the most Moorish pumpkin spice gingerbread biscuits. First of all, in a bowl you need to add your dry ingredients. 225 grams of plain flour along with half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and I added in 1 teaspoon of my pumpkin spice and 1 teaspoon of ginger. You can substitute my pumpkin spice for cinnamon if you prefer. Then in a saucepan we're going to add our other ingredients: 100 grams of salted butter, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup and 100 grams of dark brown sugar. We're going to heat that until it's completely melted. Once it's cooled down, we're going to add it to our dry ingredients and give it a really good stir to combine. Now this recipe was from the BBC Good Food website, but I've substituted their cinnamon for my pumpkin spice, which is on my page if you want the recipe for that. So mix it all together until it comes to form a lovely dough. Pop some cling film on top and pop it in your fridge for about half an hour so that the dough stiffens up. Then we're going to flour our work surface and we're just going to roll out our dough. Mine was just under about a pound coin thickness. I did go a bit thinner in some places, but I did have to re-roll that bit. I'm then using my cutters. Now these ones are really cool. They leave an indent, so you do the indent first and then you go around and you use the other half, which is the cutter, and you cut out the shapes. If you are going to use something like this, what I recommend you do is pop them in the freezer for half an hour before baking so that that image stays visible after baking, because if you don't do that, the warmth of the oven is going to sort of melt away that image. So once you've frozen them, I've taken some off the tray because I froze a lot, and then those are going to go in a freezer bag to cook another day. And these ones went in the oven on 180 for about 6 minutes. Obviously dependent on the size of cookie cutter you're using will depend on how long these are going to take, but they came out of the oven. They look absolutely beautiful. My kitchen smells unreal from the pumpkin spice and the ginger, and these are all ready for when the kids get home from school. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.